Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to prepare a work or digital portfolio as a digital marketer in 2024. If you're someone who's just starting your career into digital marketing, or you are into digital marketing from last 3 to 4 years, and if you want to excel into your career, you definitely need a work portfolio, or you can say a digital portfolio. So what I've decided is I'm going to share the same template that have got me multiple job offers. If you stick with me till the end of this video, I'll be sharing the entire template as well as the link of my work so that you can replicate and use as well as customize as per your own need. So what I've done is I prepare a portfolio as a paid media specialist. What you can do is you can customize as per your own role. Whether you are into SEO, social media marketer or social media executive, you can always customize this portfolio. And I've created a private community of digital marketer on WhatsApp, so you can go ahead and join that group. The link of that group is in the description, so go ahead and join that, because I am posting all the latest learning as well as updates and the hiring of digital marketer in that group. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. And yes, if you're watching me for the first time, do subscribe to get latest update as well as all the key learnings to become a digital marketer. So hi guys, as you can see, I am giving you 3 options to create a portfolio. पहले option में I'll show you the best way that I believe you can do that, and that is creating a website. Now when I say creating website, you can always pick 2 template. One is from WordPress and another is on Wix. I personally use WordPress a lot, and that's why I have created my own portfolio on WordPress. There is a lot of template out there on WordPress which is available, so you can go ahead and when you search digital marketing agency or digital marketing portfolio, or if you just search portfolio, you'll be able to see a lot of options. उसके अंदर से you can pick and you can start customizing it. मैंने जैसे किया है, that is more of a consultancy or how I provide my courses and everything. But just to give you a gist, what I've done is I've given what I do about myself. So if you see here, what I do, who am I, a button where you can book appointment. In your case, you can always provide ask my CV or click here to get CV. And then bit about myself here as well. मैंने जिस कंपनी में काम किया, about that as well. And then about me, what I prefer, what is my personalized approach, extensive experience, result driven approach, comprehensive skill set, everything is there already. So you can basically take an idea of how you'll write about yourself. And then you also have to write about your previous experience that is there on your CV. So जो भी चीज़ you have written on your CV, you can exactly start replicating in your website. So just to show you, for instance, I've written in 2020 I was digital marketing specialist, and this was my job. Basically, bit about my job description. And then in 2021, when I was head of digital media marketing, I've done this thing. So I mentioned here as well, manage the client front end account along with the creative content operations layer for social media, SEO, PPC, digital media, websites, and email communication. Everything is here anyway. Same goes with other years, that is 2022 as a campaign manager. Whatever I've done, I've written here. And in 2023 as well. So this is your approach. All the things जो भी आप मेंशन करोगे CV के अंदर, you can always put on your website. And then in my case, I have taken featured courses. You can always optimize as per your own need. And then reviews, and that can be your employer or anyone जहाँ पे भी आपने काम किया है. This is first and simplest way, create a website. Second way is creating a Canva template, a basic result showcasing PPT on Canva, because Canva is easily accessible. Anyone who is watching this video, you can directly go on Canva and create this template. So करने का इसके अंदर very simple. Let me just present in a full screen. Yep, now you can see. You can put your picture, or maybe if you don't want, you can always remove your picture. It's totally onto you. My portfolio, the role, paid media specialist, growth hacker, performance marketer. Here I've linked my website. If you don't have the website, you can directly link your LinkedIn. And then about yourself. Now इस केस में वैसे यहाँ पे 4 years a bit old because ये मैंने बनाया था कुछ टाइम पहले. And this portfolio, by the way, have got me 5 offers, almost 7 offers. But this is bit about myself. A very clear understanding, not complicating, putting too much stuff. 4 to 5 liner is enough. पहले लाइन में आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है अबाउट हु यू आर, आपने किस किस जगह काम किया है, क्या काम किया है. सो इस जगह में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया फेसबुक एड्स के अंदर मैंने क्या काम किया था, टोफू मोफू, लीड जेन एड्स. गूगल एड्स के अंदर भी गूगल एनालिटिक्स, गूगल टैग मैनेजर, गूगल डेटा स्टूडियो एंड यूटीएम बिल्डर. And then LinkedIn ads, Twitter, DoubleClick, and DV360. This is more of a programmatic ads. And then what we have done extensively as a digital marketer. So इस केस में मैंने लिखा था again this social media management, SEO both on page and off page, landing page creation and influencer marketing. And last paragraph में I've explained the market where I have the expertise. You can always customize. You can either write India or जहाँ पे भी you are trying to put your portfolio or this CV, you can always write that location. It can be India or any other location. Totally onto you. Next, your achievement. इसको भी you try to put very short. Again, 4 to 5 liner is enough. Just explain आपने क्या क्या achieve किया है. यहाँ पे we have written conversion of 5% in the industry, handle 50 million in ads spend, and generated over 100 millions in ad spend across a different social media platform. A and B testing across 50 plus brands accounts. And again, we know what works in 2022. यहाँ पे भी since I told you it's a old portfolio, but अभी भी if you see the same portfolio is used by my team and they have got multiple offers, so you can always change the date. अदर लाइनर एक्सप्लेनिंग कि आपने कितना फेसबुक एड्स के अंदर और पेड मीडिया के अंदर स्पेंड किया है. So this is I'm explaining you only if you are into paid media. For SEO and social media executive, as I told you, I'll explain and share the different template. Next line, you have to take snapshot. अगर आपने कोई भी रन ऐड किया है, I mean कोई भी ऐड अगर आज तक रन किया है on Google और Facebook, take a snapshot and put into your Canva. Now when you put the snapshot, always mention your achievement. Facebook ads conversion rate 7%, CPL is $23. When you go ahead, you will see CPL and then conversion rate. So whenever you take snapshot, always try to download a report on Facebook, write your name, which is very important because you'll see that people will trick with the name. They'll just take snapshot and they'll change your name. So you can always download the report on Facebook and then write your name. This is all the snapshot which I've taken. When you scroll and go ahead, if you see, these are the recent one I've taken, and I've explained live ad setup, California market, location is 39 miles. So again, depend on industry to industry. This was for the small business, so मैंने एक snapshot लिया था just to showcase one of my client that I've done that. Now मैंने इसके साथ क्या किया अभी कि I've started taking Loom video recording, showing them live that okay, this is the campaign I'm working on and this is the results which we have brought. अगर let's say if I have signed any NDA, that is non-disclosure agreement with my client, उस केस में I'm not going to show the entire campaign, but I'm going to blur the campaign ID or the client name and then I'll show the results. So this is one way. Again, after once you explain the results in snapshot, you can always mention your clients, the industry. So in agency we have worked with these companies, mobility के अंदर, music के अंदर है, education के अंदर. This is where I worked on contract and as a consultant. So this is on Canvas. Same template I am going to share in the description, and along with that, if you are part of the insider community, the digital marketing insider community, which is created by our team and me, where I always do weekly call जहाँ पे I show people how to create portfolio and how to get the job. If you are part of that community, वहाँ पे daily call के अंदर भी if you have any doubt regarding creating portfolio, you can always ping me or you can always text in that group. This template I am putting for now in the description of this video. Second one is for paid media, again it's an extensive one. I'll share this later, but for now I'll show you the proposal of SEO. SEO के अंदर भी if you see, we have to keep it very short and simple. Always start with 4 approach, starting with audit, competitor analysis, execution, and other important activities. So first of all, you're going to analyze the entire website and then come up with the 4 simple steps. One tool we can always use is Perplexity or ChatGPT. Just for instance, I was taking this example. Uh, if you write a Google and Meta plan for this website, यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है Myntra.com. Let me show you one more time. I'll go to home. I'll just copy this term again. Write a Google and Meta media plan for this website. यहाँ पे I've taken Myntra.com. You can take any other website. For now, let me take Myntra only, and then I'll take another website. When you click, it may say that they're not able to read the website, but again they'll give you the data. So if you see here, Google media plan, search ads, display ads, YouTube ads. So you'll get some idea कि आपको क्या करना है exactly, and then when you scroll, you'll get the media plan for Facebook as well. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and targeting strategies. So you can use these AI tools to get a comprehensive ideas कि आपको क्या करना है when you create a media plan or any kind of portfolio. Now talking about SEO, again this template I'm going to share in the description as well as in the group. So for the people who are just starting their career into digital marketing, they can always take this template as an inspiration. Keyword group के अंदर if you see, I've divided the keyword into 3 parts. First, brand keywords, product specific keywords, and location based keywords. Next, if you see, as I've discussed in the first point, that is this one, 4 part. यहाँ पे we'll directly start with SEO strategy and roadmap. You will talk about all the objectives of SEO strategy, why we are going to present these strategies, and how this can help to companies or client. And then we have result oriented SEO approach. We'll talk about making the website healthy and perfect, generating relevant traffic, and growing the conversion rate. We'll talk about what are the actions and strategies we are going to use. Then आपको आगे steps to increase organic traffic, यहाँ पे the steps which you are going to take. These are the things which you are going to follow. Next, we talk about step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm just fast forwarding this because I don't want to spend a lot of time here. When you get this document, you'll be able to understand. When you study by yourself, you'll get more idea about it. So I'm not going to spend more time on it. And I'm not very willing to make this video very longer video. I want to keep it very short and crisp. So that's the reason I'm just fast forwarding it. Step 4, if you see, to increase organic traffic, these are the things which you are going to do. To increase organic traffic, step 5, step 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here if you see, we have talked about 3 phases. Now you can always divide these phases into 4 phases. If you want to complete the entire project, or if you want to give a certain website an idea in your portfolio that this is what you'll do if you join the company. So you can always explain these 3 phases. So phase 1 mein if you see, I talked about depth technical audit, and then we have indexing. Phase 2 mein. Phase 3 mein we are going to produce regular press releases, that is again part of your PR and all these things. And later you'll see more explanation on those 3 phases. Abhi, I'll show you one more thing which we do a lot while preparing any media plan for any company. So this is one example I'm just giving you. So what I do, if you see, whenever I prepare any media plan or if I have to share any strategy to the company, Now, if you see, these are the same things which you can use when you apply for any jobs. अभी के लिए if you're just applying with the CV and you're not sending any kind of strategies to the company that this is what you will do as a digital marketer, then they are going to reject your profile. Right? India may there might be some company who can get you, but if you really want to apply for like Big Four or any other companies beyond India, you have to be very active with your CV as well as a proper strategies and portfolio. So यहाँ पे I'm just giving you one example. We'll start with target audience, approach. What are the approach we are going to get? Which approach you're going to follow? So if you see here, we focus both online as well as on offline marketing. We'll use SEO and then PPC as well as Facebook and Google Ads to get the marketing done. And then we talk about phase 3. Phase 1 may we are going to plan, phase 2 may we are going to prepare, and phase 3 we are going to measure. So plan में वैसे we are going to create all the social media calendar. Phase 2 में we are going to record the KPIs, that is key performance indicators. जो भी we are going to post on social media we have to record. And इसको record करने के लिए again we'll use phase 3. So if you see phase 3, here we are using tools like HubSpot and Tailwind. Now यहाँ पे you can use any tool to record or measure. So when you explain these 3 phases to client or your employer, future employer, or any of your prospect, they'll get a better understanding and they'll have that idea that okay, you know what you're talking about. Okay. And then SM channel. This is your social media channels here, that where you're going to focus a lot. And again, community value creation. These are the steps which are taken by us. These are the things which we are proposing. Now, again, this can be optimized from your side. This is not necessary by the pricing part, which is a different one. But yeah, as I mean, beginner in digital marketing, you can always follow these steps. So this is it for now, guys. If you are interested and if you have any doubt while creating the portfolio, you can always comment. And what I want you to do is, while watching this video, comment in the video that if you have created the portfolio, what are the steps or what are the things that is stopping you from creating a portfolio. Comment, and then my team and we are going to reach out to you in the insider group, and we are going to help you to create a portfolio. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, because I am going to talk more about important search terms which you should know as a digital marketer in 2024. This is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, cheers and take care.